which Rice Krispie treats are actually worth your time? It's a simple question, but the options can be overwhelming. Today, let's dig into the top picks that truly deliver on flavor and fun. Product number 1, Ross Pack Tech Clear Rice Treat Bags. First up, we have the Ross Pack Tech 100 pieces clear Rice Krispie Treat Bags. At just $6.90, these bags caught my attention with their elegant, transparent design. If you want a chic way to present your treats, this is worth a serious look. Here's why these bags matter. They're made from food-safe cellophane, meaning you can package your delicious Rice Krispie treats without worrying about contamination. The clear design not only showcases your treats, but adds a touch of class to any occasion, be it a birthday or a wedding. Plus, with over 300 units sold just last month, people are clearly embracing this chic packaging. Now, some might say, but they're just bags. Here's the thing, you can't underestimate presentation, especially when gifting or selling treats. A few buyers mentioned that the bags can be a bit flimsy if overstuffed, but honestly, if you're careful about how you fill them, that's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you love hosting parties and want to impress your guests with beautiful treats. Skip this one if you need something more durable for heavy treats. At this price, you really can't go wrong. Now, if those flimsy complaints about the Ross Pack Tech bags worried you, the next product takes a sturdier approach.
Product number 2, Carom Teen Treat Bags with Sticks and Ties. Next up, we have the Carom Teen 100-pack Rice Krispie Treat Bags with Sticks and Ties for $9.39. What stands out here is the complete package. You get not just the bags, but also sticks and adorable pink bow ties. The included sticks are perfect for holding your treats, making them easy to grab and eat. These bags are made from food-grade plastic, so you can feel good about packaging your snacks. With hundreds sold already, it seems many are loving this combo for its festive appeal. Here's why this matters for you. These kits say
Product number 3, MGW OTH Rice Krispie Bags with Ribbons. The third contender is the MGW OTH 50-pack Rice Krispie Treats Bags with Sticks kit, priced at $8.09. This one really caught my eye because it comes with beautiful ribbons to tie everything up nicely. These bags are food safe and let your treats shine through with a clear design. The size is perfect, allowing you to fit various treats, from Rice Krispie squares to cake pops. Plus, with 100+ units sold in the past month, it's clear that this option is gaining popularity. Here's why this matters. The elegant presentation can really enhance your selling game or impress guests at events. However, some reviews mention that the ribbons could be a bit short for larger treats. But honestly, if you're using it for standard-sized goodies, I think it's just fine. This is perfect if you want an attractive way to display your treats at parties or for gifts. Skip this if you need something more versatile for larger items. For the price, you're getting a great presentation tool. Now, if the size issue concerns you, let's look at something that offers a unique twist.
Product number 4, MGW OTH Treat Boxes with Sticks. Now we have the MGW OTH 35-pack Rice Krispie Treats boxes with Sticks kit, available for $9.99. These boxes are fantastic for those who want to elevate their presentation even further. Crafted from food-grade materials, these boxes ensure your treats stay fresh and look professional. Each box has a convenient hole for the stick, making them easy to grab. With 100+ sold last month, it's a clear hit. Here's the deal. These boxes not only keep your treats safe, but also enhance your display, which is key for any bakery or event. That said, some customers found the boxes a bit small for larger treats. But honestly, for standard Rice Krispies or cake pops, they work perfectly. This is ideal for those looking for a polished way to package treats for special events. Skip this if you're making bulk quantities of larger items. Given its quality, it's definitely worth the investment. All right, if those sizing concerns are on your mind, the last product offers a unique flair.
So, to wrap things up, we've looked at 5 great options for packaging your Rice Krispie treats. Rose Pack Tech for elegance, Carom Teen for a complete kit, MG Wath's bags for added flair, MG Wath boxes for professionalism, and Wave Wath for personal touches.
Each brings something unique, depending on what you need. Happy packaging.